And unarmed combat against weapons is just stupid. So people will say, yes, I'm going to do this gun, disarm, this knife, disarm. I'm fortunate, my friend Ian, ex-Special Forces, a knife fighter, we've tested my Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu against him. There's a amazing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practitioner in his own right, but where he carries a knife, a replica of a knife, and the concept was, I'm going to try and control him and try and subdue him and whatever, and he's going to try and access his knife and cut me. And I promise you, for about 45 minutes, he cut me to pieces. Stabbed me, cut me. There was no way that I could, until I started learning how to kind of manage. And what we found out, and we tested it, we wanted to see. And what I started figuring out was, if I knew he had a weapon, I had a better chance. If I didn't know he had a weapon, I had no chance.